Our planet faces unprecedented environmental challenges. Climate change is real, with effects felt worldwide. What we eat influences carbon footprints and biodiversity. Animal agriculture contributes to greenhouse gases, deforestation, and water pollution. Our diet choices impact the planet's health and sustainability. We must recognize the power we hold as consumers. This is about making conscious decisions. Understanding meat versus plant-based diets helps create a sustainable future. This essay explores the environmental impact of dietary choices for a sustainable lifestyle. Meat production is resource-intensive. It requires vast land, water, and energy. Livestock generates significant greenhouse gases, mainly methane. Livestock farming leads to deforestation. Animal feed production degrades the environment. Fertilizers and pesticides pollute waterways. Transporting meat adds to its carbon footprint. In contrast to meat-heavy diets, vegan diets have a significantly lower environmental impact. Plant-based foods require less land, water, and energy to produce. They also generate fewer greenhouse gas emissions. Section 4, a clear comparison. Comparing meat-heavy and vegan diets reveals stark environmental differences. Meat-heavy diets contribute significantly to global warming. Vegan diets are more climate-friendly. Meat-heavy diets lead to deforestation. Vegan diets preserve natural landscapes. Water consumption is high for meat-heavy diets and low for vegan diets. Meat-heavy diets harm biodiversity, while vegan diets support diverse ecosystems. Vegan diets are more sustainable in every aspect. Choosing plant-based meals reduces our environmental footprint and contributes to a healthier planet. Section 5. Choosing a sustainable future. Our dietary choices impact the planet. Meat consumption is unsustainable, driving deforestation and climate change. Veganism offers a sustainable alternative. Choosing plant-based foods reduces our carbon footprint. Every small change in our diet can lead to significant positive impacts on the environment. Let us choose a future where both people and the planet can thrive. Choose plant-based.